Hi, my name's Anisa. I work with Black Girls Hike and our partnerships and training coordinator. Our founder, Rianne Fatanik, she was out in nature, passing through, and was struck by the lack of Black women in particular, lack of representation and diversity that exists in outdoor spaces. So she decided to do something about that. Black Girls Hike was formed to challenge the status quo that exists in the outdoor sector, and so we provide a safe space for Black women to gather, connect in nature, develop a sense of adventure, and explore what nature has to offer. We've been across Wales, Scotland, we've been into Northumberland National Park, we've been to the Lake District, we've done quite a bit in the Peak District around Edale, and we've also done quite a lot in the southeast as well, and Pembrokeshire in Wales. So yeah, we've been all over. Part of our mission as well is to develop people's appreciation and understanding of nature, and also how that relates to climate change. So that feels really important as well as we kind of extend and build our work. And also we connect women to the African diaspora as well, and that involves international trips that we do as well. So we've been to Ghana, we've been to Morocco, we've been to Brazil and other places across the continent as well. I've always had a passion for nature. I've been walking and rambling in nature since I was really young, and so being able to be a part of this organisation and support what we do means a lot. And we have in excess of 20,000 women who we've walked with and who connect with us. And we know that nature gives us that sense of well-being. It supports our mental health, helps us to feel better. We're being physically active, we're connecting with others, with like-minded people. So it's really important, this work that we're doing, and it really makes a difference to people's lives. So being able to see that and see connection for those Black women across the country, bonding together, feeling at place in nature, is really important, and it's something that we're really proud of. And so we were invited to come and participate as a partner with Manchester Museum, and particularly in the context of social justice. This felt really right for us. So we started with a co-working relationship where we're here on the top floor where we can work and do what we do. And from there we got into some conversations around how we could perhaps exhibit and showcase some of the work and tell our story. And so that really seemed to fit with some of the ideas around the exhibition of Wild. And so we have been working with members of the museum to create and curate a space where we can tell our story, share some of our videos and images, and invite members of the public to come and see what we do and come and talk to us and build the awareness of Black Girls Hike and our mission.